Welcome to Highway Legends. Today we're turning our attention to one of the most thrilling compact performance sedans on the road, the 2026 Hyundai Elantra N. Known for its sharp handling, aggressive character, and incredible value, the Elantra N has built a strong reputation among driving enthusiasts. The 2026 model continues that legacy with refined updates that make it even more exciting. Let's take a closer look at what's new and why this performance sedan stands out. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Elantra N arrives with a refreshed, more aerodynamic design. Hyundai has sharpened the front fascia with a sleeker grille, updated LED headlamps, and sportier air intakes that enhance cooling and visual appeal. The body features more sculpted lines for a bolder stance, while new alloy wheel designs and exclusive and color options add a sense of energy and aggression. From every angle, the Elantra N looks ready to attack the road. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood, the Elantra N continues with its potent 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, now refined for improved responsiveness and smoother power delivery. The 2026 model offers both a dynamic manual gearbox and a quick-shifting dual-clutch automatic. Suspension tuning has been upgraded for sharper cornering, while launch control and the N driving modes have been refined for better precision. With improved cooling and reduced weight in key areas, the new Elantra N offers even more exhilarating performance. Safety and technology. Hyundai enhances the tech package with an updated digital instrument cluster and a smoother infotainment interface featuring wireless smartphone connectivity. Safety has also been improved with updated lane keeping assist, smarter adaptive cruise control, and enhanced collision avoidance systems. The cabin includes sporty N seats, improved driver attention monitoring, and crisp audio options, making the driving experience immersive and refined. Conclusion. The 2026 Hyundai Elantra N continues